have an ed psych test in 1 hour. We're gonna guess what we're each gonna get on the test.
I'm hoping for a 95, but I fear I'm aiming too high. 87.
Hoping for over 70 would be great. I'm hoping for an 85. I don't know if I'm gonna get it.
I'm hoping for a 90. Don't think I'm gonna get it. I've studied for maybe 5 minutes.
Today.
Jula's Amazon Music recap. Yes. Julia Fest, wait, that's fun. Morning. I have a mystery package in the mailroom. Just got coffee. I just got my mystery package, and it's huge. All I see right away, some Starbursts. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, they're Kind bars, I think. Kind on there. Little bags of popcorn, my favorite snack. Enjoy your gift. This might help you finish off the semester. Enjoy. Precious. It's snowing! Ah!
So nonchalant.
Enjoy your bag. Bag secured. Cheapest lunch ever. It cost us $5 for Yep. No, we just found the cutest quarter zips, but they're not really like on a big sale. You can see mine. Can you see mine? Penny has her concert. Here to support.